Hi Queenie, this is Ricky. He's going to show you how to pack a boom room.
Boom room. So you start with the boom room box. We're going to put our tent with our rack in first. We're going to grab our Myco Mr. Tower. That's going to go in first on top of the tent. V2 Faith fan goes right next to the Mister. Take our insert. Fold it to our square. The edge seam meeting the edge. Our insert is in. Come in with our ducting and our mic controller. That's going to come next to our fan. Right in that little slot. Inside the insert, you have your brochure and your filter fans for that version 2 Faith fan, which we can put in the 2 sections of the insert. Big wad of paper next to Mister. Smaller wad of paper on top of our Myco controller. We grab our spore floor, put it on top of both the Faith fan and the insert, and that will hold everything down when you pack it.
Awesome.
And that's a boom room.
Thanks, Ricky.